If you sign up using our special partner link for Bluehost, you'll get a much lower price than what you'd find on their homepage. You'll find that special sign up link in the video description below, so be sure to use that link when signing up to save some money. Let's select a hosting plan and domain now. This offer includes a free domain for the first year, and to take advantage of that, click Get Started Now. Here we see the Bluehost plans. Everything you'll see in this tutorial, you can do with the basic plan, so I'll click Choose Plan. When you register a new domain, you want to make it relatively short and memorable, and it needs to still be available. I'll call this one BHWP Tutorial 2, short for Bluehost WordPress Tutorial. And then you can change your top level domain here if you want, but I'd recommend keeping a .com. I like to add domain privacy and protection to avoid junk mail, but I'll show you how to remove this later if you change your mind. Now, click Search for Domain. In our cart, you can change your hosting plan, but 1 year is the best monthly rate. And here's where you can remove that protection if you change your mind. I'll continue to checkout. Now, just enter your contact information, and then scroll down to enter your account information. Double check that everything looks okay, and click Submit Payment. Now that we have set up our hosting and we have our domain, it's time to install WordPress. And just like that, after submitting payment, WordPress is automatically installed, and we've landed in the Bluehost dashboard.